This is Poshali here. So, as you know that I am the HR of Shubhania Service Limited company. Today, I am here to discuss with you about baggage handling system. इसका हिंदी का मतलब है सामान संभाल प्रणाली। आइए, सामान संभाल प्रणाली किसको बोला जाता है आज हम लोग डिस्कस करते हैं। This is a system installed in airports that transports checked luggage from ticket counters and loaded onto airplanes and vice versa. ये एक सिस्टम है जो कि हर एक एयरपोर्ट में इंस्टॉल किया गया है। जैसे हम लोग जब एयरपोर्ट में घुसते हैं, हम लोगों का सारा लगेज चेक होता है, उसका वेट चेक होता है, उसका बैलेंस चेक होता है। फिर उस बैग में एक टैग लगाया जाता है जिसको बैग टैग बोला जाता है और उसके बाद सारे लगेज को एयरप्लेन्स में ट्रांसफर किया जाता है। In addition to this, baggage handling system also performs some more functions, and they are detection of bag jams, volume regulation, load balancing, bag counting, bag tracking, automatic tag reader and redirection of bags. जैसे कि आप लोगों को बोला गया है कि बैग्स में टैग लगाया जाता है, उस टैग को बोला जाता है बैग टैग। आइए अब हम जानते हैं बैग टैग क्या होता है। बैग टैग्स आर नोन एज बैग चेक्स और लगेज टिकट्स। दिस बैग टैग्स आर यूज्ड to identify the passenger's bag. A bag tag contains basic information such as flight number, carrier name, destination, airport code and baggage tag number. ये पूरा सिस्टम जो कि baggage handling system है is handled by some persons, those who are known as baggage handlers, who loads and unloads baggages for transport via aircraft. अब हम डिस्कस करेंगे about various jobs of baggage handlers. First comes operation agent. One of the job of operation agent is to check that the aircraft is finally loaded within safe limits before the aircraft departs the gate. Upon satisfaction of all the mandatory requirements, those datas are sent to the pilots so that they can ensure safe operation of the aircraft. Then comes warehouse agent, crew chief. The air freight warehouse is where inbound and outbound air freight is processed. It is usually located on or adjacent to airport property and is usually separated from the passenger terminal. This is a secured area where only authorized persons, namely warehouse agents, are only allowed to access. Then comes to crew chief for ensuring that an aircraft has been loaded to the specification of the load agent and reporting any discrepancies to the management. Then comes to ramp agent. Ramp agent are those who are working on the ramp, seen loading bags. They are also responsible for ensuring that the arriving aircraft is unloaded. The ramp agents also loads the departing aircrafts. They ensure that all the baggages are loaded in each compartments and with proper weight and balance. There are many more agents who are working as a baggage handler. Those are transfer agent, inbound runners, lavatory agent, backroom agent, mail agent and station agent. So hope this video helps you to understand that airport में कैसे काम होता है, बैगेजेस कैसे हैंडल किया जाता है, कौन सा बैगेज हैंडलर्स होते हैं जो लोग इस पूरे सिस्टम को हैंडल करते हैं, so that we can provide you more information about airlines and the works done in airport. आज के लिए इतना ही और आगे वीडियो देखने के लिए प्लीज लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब आवर वीडियो। नमस्ते।